My name is Hussain Khan. I'm from Chicago, Illinois. I studied international business and politics at Queen Mary University of London. So I work at the United Nations at the Department of General Assembly and Conference Management. One thing that makes Queen Mary different to me is not only is it based in London. London is a wonderful, beautiful city. You have students there from all over the world, from each different country. You get a different perspective from people, different ideologies. It brings such a diverse culture to the school, and it really helps you to later on in life, helps your career. You get kind of a different understanding and mindset too. The benefits of studying in London is that you have so many different countries nearby, good for travel, good for tourism, good for learning new languages too. As being an American studying in the UK, I had a wonderful time, wonderful experience. I would give anyone the same advice. You should go for it right away.